Guangzhou Huaqi Digital Technology Company Limited, established in 2018, is a professional company engaged in the research, development, sales, and service of computer parts, including computer cases, fans, CPU coolers, power supplies, gaming chairs and desks, and keyboards and mice. The company is located in Guangzhou City, Guangdong Province, with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to impressive product designs, strict quality control system, and thoughtful customer service. The experienced staff in our company are always available to meet your sourcing requirements and ensure customer satisfaction. Moreover, the designers in our company are rather experienced in creating new designs on the products and keeping high quality, which makes our products attractive and user-friendly for the consumers. Selling well in cities all over China, our products are also exported to overseas clients in such countries and regions like US, European, Korea, and Southeast Asia countries. We have established brands including iGo and darkFlash and etc., winning great reputation worldwide. These years witnesses promising development of iGo and darkFlash products. At the same time, OEM orders are also acceptable if any need from your side. Whether selecting a current product from our product catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your idea, you can consult our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We will be glad to communicate and provide solutions for your ideas.